Sengani musuk mani hingga je bag laharit lang thang mani sil khai rohar mani abo ki phaipuru kipilpuru bada sil khlaijak nura nuka
thang puru jeha puru sil khaijak ongko puru bo sil khaijak no bokuno khogma bo kerebini bo tong thagnya hasi kusi ke phayo himai ab se bo ag doro phaipuru signal romai hai ke hayengai jongnai bo sai bo mai sungmo sai me hayengnai hene ab sa adi ke ma tong asang problem kalai
kul beguri tongman
abale ab bag tongmani ke abang sai man ya beguri tongmani bo sayari tongmani hene hinge jong sai ma yata olorom ja processing sai mano ri tong haipon ba pro ajaga na manager no saka ori mia pajang mani si orani tabo khogma ya hene haipon buruk bilip khaya a office trang pro bo borok lahari no hene chong pro ang saka a bag sil khajak se hinge bhai ke khuloge bori dana ni ni samase bo abure ano tin chawan nung zaro sana ya ab saimano asil khulo.
Mother also was not telling the truth. Then Lahari told me, no sister, my uncle gave me some money. I said, how much? He said 900 rupees. Which uncle? She told me Johar. Now Johar is also one of our transport staff who is driving a bus. And I gave a call to Johar. It was not reaching. So I asked our driver Litan, can I have Johar's number? Please tell him to call me. And Johar called, he was trying to call, could not get. So I got the number. I called Johar. First he did not respond to me, but he called me back. I just asked him, Johar, just want to know, when did you meet Lahari last? He said, I did not meet her. Did you give her any money? No, sister, I did not give. Then mother also told, Johar will not give any money without my permission. She told me and the hostel warden, we were together all the time. Then quickly Lahari changed the version and she said, not this uncle, my father's younger brother, who is deaf, who is getting the money on the way. Like that she said. So I am not very sure who exactly and what exactly. We saw also what the clothes that she had brought. They were branded ones, some of them. So it was about 3,922 rupees. The teacher told me that she has paid that money. No. There was 3-4 pants, a t-shirt, a shirt, full shirt, and then 2 small children's wear there. Children's wear, yellow one. They were that much. The teacher had paid and the bill is in her because she paid through the card. To me personally, she told me my uncle yesterday brought. He brought and he told me in my bag, he put in my bag. Then I went home. Then I asked her, if he gave you yesterday, why did you bring it today? I asked that one. Which uncle? She was not ready to tell. She even told, please don't tell my mother. It's a secret. Oh my God. So I don't know. I'm not able to say this is the situation.
And then kaisa chithi sejak mano a chithi bo false bini athane bini handwriting ya aba pura kaisa sajogjak aba sasti ongthong je kuboino chungti khainan bagai chong logirinai chini bukhukle harkan man loge chong tongo chung buma angai oroba chawi belai dukho khai
mane ang phaike do ang mane ang phaisungni no mane boro ang nogo hapka matro no borong ang nuka boni sister Celine hunita bo tamo saitoka mane boro evidence nutupu o nogo tondo khai nutukui tongdo ke ang borong boro tano sini ang elaharni toyne erpore ke ang bong singka tamon nai ke borok sauta oro shudu 11 ni boy simichi tongo bone personal diary si tongna o jaga sure je manai nutuk di check khai dinto boro to kintu sami ang laharni toyne ke anger pore phana sagangite Miss Elizabeth nita bo khite kono saiba ang je koksawa ba anti nachi simi tong mulang kintu boro aro eon pore ke boro bino na kyang ke bag sano bag on puro ano bo phunu ko to ke bo tamo paimani o rangni receive ro boro tamo saitong asu bong ko bisu buji asu borok to bong borok basa saitong do borok foreigns ni borok ke borok foreigns basa saitong bong basa sing buji meya ebon pore ke to phona ang bono singa tamno tuk mi sini sagata bono sister tamno tuk ne ani chaw ningbo kisa help khadia no evidence nutu go ni chaw
bobo hai evidence borok ki police thana haje da phai bobo hai evidence
mane boro amte nutu tam sui rok tong khna same personal diary obviously tong na hning ke by ni personal kaisa diary tong photo abono se borong na hakang ang tong ang saka 1 minute ang bon nagi na mo an Ngi ane bani bung sujak nuka amo sa ane bani sin. Ke apur ke bor confusing thaka. Ari mo Dipali ni bon mana sin ke anu sunggu. Ning Dipali ni mane lahar ni tem ang sa bono ang lahar ni toy. Toy ni chapur ke bor anu ekdom mane basic care khali apur ke te borong alada nutukla tang ke bor o boje lahari je nogo phasi sawo anogo thange bor aro bor tam salai tang ang apur bong asik nozor kore ang tan yang ani bani bu sajuk thui mane omon chang beshi nozor bole na kintu topon ang bor bokhorogongi tung tam erpore ka mobile cha mobile hongke ani bai sakata mobile cha mutu mobile bong thani tongo ning kisa sandi hincho nge ang bono saka ang na hari bena haka mobile na do nge mobile switch off hongke apro bor sauta a mobile nong na singklang ma tabo nge tamon nge ajaga kaisa proof tongo salma sabo bor salma sabo ni sung ang saka khnaди ang lahari ni hostel bo kuno সময় থাকি কো না lahari ang বেশি যোগাযোগ করে কিন্তু lahari an bani busa ঠিক কিন্তু ang to amsuk samangla salma sabong ke ana chawo ning approve na nai ning ano rohodin chaw ang saka an tama theka nang bana ning tamne evidence ani ang approve log ang ko saka miss engko sister chalino sungi mano ani bani busa to bos suicide ke thyo na ge bo to kun khogya ang bono kok sata ebon pore ka bor tam saka ase gong ba ase nozor rimi eblena
মোবাইল সামনে ইয়াগো তা গরম ইয়াগো
sister selini thaniwo ba ana sawo he abo totally sini thani tongnai